Hey guys, I got a quick fix for you here. I've blown a trailer fuse on my Nissan Frontier. This is a 2016 model. I'll show you quickly how to get to that thing using, all you need is a pair of pliers. You don't need any other tools in order to pull that fuse. That fuse is actually under the hood. So pop your hood, alright, and then you'll see there's a couple of fuse boxes on the passenger side rear part of the engine compartment, and it happens to be in that fuse box. So pop that fuse box open and I'll show you how to do that. Okay, this is the box. There's a fuse box right here. It's the second one back. Use your fingers to press in that tab, and there's also an identical tab on the opposite side to pop that off. Alright, and then as you look in here, there's a lot of fuses. The trailer running light fuse is way down in there. You actually can't even see it on the camera. So the best way to get to it is to push in, use your fingers, push in on this tab, identical tab on the other side, and lift this whole tray up like that. Turn it clockwise. There's your fuse. Use your pliers, needle nose pliers, pull that fuse, replace the fuse. It's that simple. It takes less than a minute to replace that fuse, but you got to know what you're doing, and it's not in the manual. So anyway, quick fix. Thanks for watching, and hope this helps.